this. Okay, my eyeballs are important. A little better. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure.
Now, this is what's going to be going around and around.
Okay.
Okay. You don't want to be afraid of it, but you want to respect it. You got good short sleeves and everything. We don't have long sleeves. Before you get that caught, you go. Okay. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to take this tool. You're going to hold it on your side. And what I want you to do is approach way out here. And you're going to start, in fact, I'm going to move that thing even further out. You see these sharp ends? Okay, you watch me. Put my hand on it right in here.
Okay.
And then I put it right here, and I keep it right in my side. That way you've got control of the tool, and then you just go like this. Whatever you do slow. And then I just kind of pull my fingers toward me. You see how it's starting to take shape? And it's gonna end up shaped like that little top. But don't stick your fingers in here.
Okay.
Keep them here. And you move over there. And I'm going to do the same. Never get even close to it until you're ready. Keep that against you.
Okay.
This hand goes all the way up in here, like that. And you put your fingers on it. Good, wrap them around it. Yeah. Real easy. You control it. When you're done, you control with this hand so that it doesn't jump on you. Just a little pressure on it, and it'll cut. Now I'm going to turn you around and make you go backwards. Okay? Put your hand back up there. You're on a good point. So you just push right toward them. There you go. Until you hit the. No, go forward a little more. There. Okay. Now you want to make it fancy. Approach slowly. Get your hand up here. That's where your control is. Okay, you make a little ring. Push it. Get another ring. And now put it right here. Just keep pushing. Push. My turn.
Oh, cool.
Baby too. Pretty.
One at a time. Oh, you gotta try it. See, make sure it works.
Ooh.
Oh, cool.
Hey, how was it?
That was fun.